Hello, kindergarten. Today, your science question is what makes a T-Rex a T-Rex? And a T-Rex is a dinosaur or a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Now, scientists have never seen a real living T-Rex. No human has seen them. In fact, let's go all the way up here. This is the scientist who discovered the fossil that is named Sue. And her name is Sue or Susan. So that gives you a hint of where the name came from. And she found this fossil in the rocks, and she worked together with a team of scientists to get that fossil from South Dakota all the way to a museum. And this is what the fossil looks like now at the museum. Scientists know everything about dinosaurs from their fossils. So to be someone who studies dinosaurs, you would spend a lot of time studying these rocks and fossils and learning more about them. Our question today is what makes a T-Rex a T-Rex? So we can go over to this website called Dinosaur Train. And I love this show and I love the T-Rex. Right here you can see a lot of important information about a Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex is the nickname. The big name is Tyrannosaurus Rex. Right here's a nice detail, biped. That means it walked on 2 feet. Right here you can see an x-ray of our dinosaur, and the only thing scientists know about it are the bones. For the size, this is the size of a kid, and a T-Rex is about 1, 2, 3, 4 kids tall. So we stacked 4 kids on top of each other. That's how tall it is. Imagine there's a house with an upstairs and a downstairs. It's called a 2-story house. A T-Rex would have been as big as that big. Now, what did a T-Rex eat? It was a carnivore. It could eat fish, but it probably ate a lot more meat. That other guy I was talking about, Spinosaurus liked fish. T-Rex is a really interesting dinosaur. A lot of kids pick it as their favorite, but there are so many different dinosaurs you can learn about. This is Spinosaurus, the other one from the book. There is a huge variety. And all of these dinosaurs, we only know about them from their fossils and rocks. So that's a very special thing to know. So what makes a T-Rex a T-Rex? That's our big science learning today. One of the best ways to show what you've learned is to draw a T-Rex. I was trying to draw a T-Rex. I know, this one's not the best picture. I can try again. Uh-oh, it's not quite letting me erase the drawing. No, it will. All right, friends, drawing a T-Rex can be tricky, so I'll show you my tricks and maybe you will draw a better one. Right here on this page will be my example. Your science assignment today is to draw your own picture of a T-Rex over here on this page. It says draw a T-Rex and challenge write about a T-Rex. So that's your page to do the work. Okay, T-Rex drawing. Step 1, I start up high. I'm going to make a circle for the head and a triangle for the mouth. I actually like to start with the mouth triangle, boom, boom, and then I get the circle for the head. That circle's a little bit smaller than I wanted, but it'll work. I can even do another line and make it bigger. And I could color that in if I wanted, and I didn't like the size it turned out like. Now, friends, we don't know what color a T-Rex is, so I'm making mine brown, but you can pick any color you like. Scientists have never seen a living T-Rex. They died long ago. Really long. There are no Tyrannosaurus Rex alive anywhere today, and no human has ever seen them. So they died a long time ago, not just a little time ago. Super long. We know a T-Rex has big, sharp teeth. So if we're talking about a T-Rex, we need big, sharp teeth. Each tooth is about the size of a banana. Have you eaten a banana? Yeah, next time you eat a banana, you can think that's a T-Rex tooth, and they had a lot of them. All right, next up, for the body, I draw an oval shape, like, and then the rest of the oval is there, but you don't see it. Okay, next I need a leg. Legs can be tricky. You can kind of think of the leg as a rectangle, and you're going to need 2 legs. Then the foot can be tricky. The foot is kind of like a triangle, but it's a weird triangle because there's 3 toes that close it off. T-Rex can still be hard to draw, even though Miss Bush practices. There's my T-Rex drawing coming together. Okay, back to my marker. This foot needs a Needs that triangle foot with 3 toes. There we go. And you can always color it all in. Now, what else does my T-Rex need? Eyes! It needs eyes. Okay. Well, let's get some black. Or maybe purple. Why not? Ooh, orange. Again, scientists don't know what color they were. Those eyes are facing forward and helping them hunt. So I'm going to do 2 eyes facing forward. And they kind of have those bubble eyes that help stick up over their head and help them search for prey. Yep, their eyes would have been a little bit more on top of their head to hunt. They were good at hunting. Now, T-Rex arms have to be tiny and little and only 2 fingers. Did you know, kindergarten, if we were at school, I would teach you, all the teachers would teach you, something we call show 5. And when a teacher needs you ready to listen and ready to learn, the teacher says, show 5, kindergarten. And then you would sit really quiet and lift your hand up like this. What would we do if a T-Rex came to school and the teacher said, show 5, T-Rex? And the T-Rex would be like this. And the teacher would be like, T-Rex, I need you to show 5. Lift that arm up high. And the T-Rex would be here. Can you make T-Rex arms? Oh yeah, 2 fingers only and little tiny arms. That'd be really hard to do anything. You can't even eat with T-Rex arms. How would you do that? You can't get it in your mouth. T-Rexes, those arms are a problem. But that's not the only thing that makes the T-Rex the T-Rex. We need a tail. It doesn't look quite right until you add that tail in. And now you have a T-Rex. And you can color this in. Maybe you want to give your T-Rex some stripes. They might tell all the other animals, hey, watch out. I'm a top predator. Or maybe the T-Rex would be more camouflage to help it sneak up on its prey. So maybe it would be more green and brown to blend in. Again, no one knows. Also, T-Rexes might have had a lot of feathers on their body. It's very likely that their body had feathers. That's what the new scientists are learning about T-Rexes, the more they study those fossils and bones. Your last challenge, kindergarten, is to try to write the word T-Rex. It's right up here to help you. So the T goes down and across the top. And then this is fun. Dash. And then the R, it's a big capital R, big line down, around, and kick. E makes a line, and it goes all in the circle. And then X is fun. Line, line. T-Rex. Give it a try writing T-Rex. Give it a try drawing a T-Rex. I'm so excited to see your work.